Hey guys, today is Saturday, October 26th or something, I don't know. But it was supposed to be raining all day today and it's sunny. So we're gonna go outside, take down the chicken run, and then measure to put up our permanent run. So I'm gonna take you with me to do that.
Let's go out. We're taking down the chicken run.
Okay, so what are you doing with your scissors?
I'm cutting these things so we can take off the pole. Take out the pole. Yeah.
All right, Charlotte, show me how it's done. Can you stick the scissors up through here? This one can be a little bit tricky. If you need to do a different one, I can help you do a different one. I'm gonna snip all of these zip ties. Do it as hard as you can. Do you need help?
No.
Nope.
I'm gonna do it by myself like strong.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna position the scissors just right and then you can squeeze them, okay? This one's gonna be a little tricky, so I'm gonna make it go down like that. Now squeeze them as hard as you can.
Yeah, usually in the morning at these times.
Woo!
I'm not that strong.
You got it. All right, so do it the same way with this one, okay?
But then,
You remember how, yep, just like that.
oh hi piggy.
And then squeeze it as hard as you can, and it'll get that zip tie.
Not your piggy.
Careful, Catherine, careful. Charlotte, can you scoot your body over just a little bit so we can see what you're doing?
Yep.
Okay.
So I like these piggies. Help a little.
Help a little bit. 1, 2, 3.
Great.
There you go.
Good.
Okay. Raise your hand if you love the cold. All right, so initially my the bird netting was a great idea. It kept the chickens in, it kept predators out. We've had a few instances where hawks have come down and landed on the bird netting trying to catch a chicken, and they were foiled by this. Unfortunately, it did not stand the test of weather or time. It rips very easily, it tangles very easily, and it very quickly becomes a mess and an eyesore. So I'm not going to be keeping this.
It's right here.
The queen of flowers!
The queen of love. The princess of love.
The princess of love! Okay, so here I still have this green netting attached to my garden posts. I'm going to snip all of these. I'm gonna snip all of these zip ties with my scissors and roll up all of this netting and set all these garden posts over there in my garage. Slowly but surely. Pocket.
I wish I might.
All right, I got all of the fence snipped off of the garden posts, and I'm gonna collect all the garden posts, put them up, and then I'm gonna start thinking about how I want to put their permanent run. And I have an idea. I want to do a little bit of a permanent run on that side of the garage so that they have a permanent structure that's safe for them and keeps them out of my garden. And then I also want to do a little chicken tunnel that goes all the way around the perimeter of the fence that we have to help control the bugs and also keep them out of my garden. And I won't actually be able to use this area for gardening because of the way that the garage is positioned here. As soon as the sun, excuse me, as soon as the sun, I can't do it right yet. I actually took two, I already took two out. I had one here and one right here that I ended up moving. I used the wood for this one here to double that one here, and I'll end up filling it in a little bit more for next season. Since I don't get enough light in the afternoon due to where the garage is actually positioned, I won't be using this area as a garden. I have been thinking about maybe putting a mulberry tree in the middle, or maybe using this area for ducks, or for maybe a swing set for the kids. It's not set in stone. My sister-in-law has a swing set that she's trying to get rid of, and it's a good possibility that my in-laws will, once they take it apart, will take it and bring it here, which would be great for the kids.